Hi everyone, thanks for watching. Do you want to know how to make customer payment receipt transaction using the cash receipt journal functionality of Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central? Whenever you are receiving payment from your customer and apply those payment transactions with the posted sales invoices against which you are receiving payment from your customer. Well, in this video, I will show you all the steps to make a customer payment receipt transaction and apply with the posted sales invoices. Click on the top right corner on the search button and type the cash receipt journal and select the relevant link. Specify the payment receipt date in posting date. Specify the document type as payment. Document number has been updated automatically. Select the customer. Select the customer name or number into the account number field. Go to the balancing account field and select the bank account. Select the bank account number into the balancing account number field. Click on the process and apply entry. To apply the invoices entry against which we are receiving the payment, I can select the invoices one by one from the list and click on the process set applies to ID. As soon as I set applies to ID, my applies to ID field will be updated. I can scroll right and check the amount to apply field has been filled in with the value of invoice amount. I can click OK to update this 20,389 into the journal line. So my amount field has been updated with 20,389. I can click on the post and print and post button. Yes. So my payment receipt transaction has been successfully posted. I can verify this transaction by going into the customers from the search button. I can select the customer from the list to open the list of customer. I can open the customer card by clicking on the number field. I can click on the customer and ledger entries to open all the ledger entries of this customer. So my payment transaction is here. I can scroll right and check the amount of 20,553 which has been received from the customer, and the remaining amount is 0 because it has been applied to the invoices. In order to check the invoices to which it has been applied, I need to select this line and click on the entry and applied entries. So these are my 3 invoices against which we have received the payment from this customer. I can go to the bank account by clicking on the top right corner search button and type bank account and select the relevant link to open the list of bank account and open the bank account. To verify the transaction has been done in the bank account, I can click on the bank account and select the ledger entries to open all the transactions of this bank account. The transaction of 20,389 has been received into my bank account.